Australia memberi jaminan untuk terus membantu mencari pesawat MH370 yang hilang sejak 8 Mac lepas. Jaminan disuarakan Perdana Menteri Tony Abbot yang turut merakamkan rasa simpati kepada keluarga penumpang pesawat berkenaan.
Abbot pada sidang di Parlimen mempericikan bentuk bantuan ditawarkan Canberra. Antara lain, misi mencari dan menyelamat SAR kini dibahagikan kepada dua kawasan iaitu koridor utara dan koridor selatan.
So far, the Royal Australian Air Force has conducted 2 sweeps over the southern search corridor. Another sweep is scheduled to take place later today. Shortly, Madam Speaker, there will be 4 Royal Australian Air Force Orion maritime surveillance aircraft active in this search area.
Dalam pada itu, pengurus pihak berkuasa keselamatan maritim Australia mengakui kesukaran misi mencari MH370.
This search will be difficult. The sheer size of the search area poses a huge challenge. The search area is more than 600,000 square kilometres. This initial search area was developed working with the United States National Transportation Safety Board as a result of work they have already done on behalf of Malaysia. The area where the aircraft might have entered the water was then corrected over for the water movement over the elapsed time by the Rescue Coordination Centre here in Canberra to provide a possible search area that is relevant to efforts today. Every attempt will be made to further refine the search area as further information becomes available. This includes further analysis of drift modelling and other search tools, but with the passage of significant time since the 8th of March and with the constant movement of water, that will be constantly difficult.
Tambahnya, pasukan mencari Australia ditugaskan mencari di kawasan yang luas meliputi 600,000 km persegi sekaligus menjangkakan ia berlarutan sehingga berminggu-minggu untuk selesai. Data satelit menunjukkan pesawat MH370 mungkin berada dari kawasan bermula Asia Tengah sehingga Lautan Hindi. Usaha mencari dan menyelamat pesawat MH370 menjadi antara yang terbesar dalam sejarah penerbangan dengan melibatkan 26 negara.